Hello everyone, welcome to Oh My Gizmo, the tech segment of our channel. I am Shadab Akhtar Rabbani and today we'll be unboxing the all-new OnePlus 6T. So this is the package we received at the launch event in New Delhi, and let me introduce you to it. We have this box which says, "Dear reader, never settle OnePlus. Prepare to unlock the speed." We have the manual on the top which says, "OnePlus 6T, unlock the speed." And the first thing, this is the retail box we have of the OnePlus 6 phone, which you will receive when you order the phone online or at the stores. And it says about the OnePlus community. There is this in-display fingerprint scanner which is being introduced to this phone, and the OnePlus logo. So we received the mirror black version with 128 GB storage, and this phone is for sale and warranty only in India. And now we open the box and introduce you to the all-new OnePlus 6T. We'll keep the phone aside and let me show you what else is there in the box. So there is this polycarbonate cover. There is an invitation letter. Let's see what's it about. A word from Pete, OnePlus CEO, and there is this letter from Pete. It says, 5 years old and a million stories told, created by you, with you and for you. Along with it, we have the dash charger. Like the OnePlus 6, we have the dash charger along with the USB and Type-C type adapter. And then we have a Type-C to 3.5mm adapter for the earphone jack, which is not available in the OnePlus 6T. This is the charger. It's supposed to charge really fast and it has an output of 4 ampere. So in the box we have some other accessories as well. There is this silicone back cover which is transparent, as you can see, and also we have a small package, SIM card ejector. Here we have a SIM card ejector. Then we have the safety information manual. This is the safety information manual, and also we have a manual on the in-display fingerprint sensor. So we have this manual about the in-display fingerprint sensor, and there is there is a paper which says, "Warning, I'm a flagship killer," and I think these are stickers which can be used to stick on your phone and look cool. So let me take you through the physical outlook of this phone. On the top we have the noise cancelling microphone, and on the sides we have the alert slider, and we have the power on off button on this side, and at the bottom we have the 2 speakers, and in the middle we have the Type-C connector for the charger and the earphones, and the regular 3.5mm jack for the earphones is missing in OnePlus 6T, as I had told earlier. And on the sides we have the volume rocker, and that's the physical outlook. It has a 6.41-inch AMOLED screen, and at the which is protected by Gorilla Glass on the front. So at the back, this time what's missing is the fingerprint scanner because it has been moved to the display screen, and instead the logo has been pushed up. Also we have a dual camera at the rear camera with a flash. So we can put in 2 nano SIMs, and both of them can be used at 4G. There is no external memory card slot in this tray, so whatever we get in the phone, we have to use that for our storage. Also the notch has changed, as you can see. This is a water drop notch, which is very different and way smaller than the standard notch available in OnePlus 6. So what we are going to do now is we'll set up the phone and take you inside for the other features. I have set up the phone, and now I'll take you through the features of this phone. So this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, and this one has 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, and it is compatible with NFC and Bluetooth 5.0. So I'll show you how fast the in-display fingerprint sensor is. So here it is, and here it just unlocks. That's how fast it is. This is me. It just recognized and it's open. The same thing if I do it now on the side, nothing is happening. I come here and it's open. We'll soon be coming out with a detailed review of Pixel 3 and the all-new OnePlus 6T. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.